Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix you cannot shrink a volume beyond the point in Windows 11. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and close disk management. Okay. And go ahead over to your search bar and just type down CMD. And once you're in here, click on run as administrator. And that will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. Now what you got to do here is just type down powercfg.exe /hibernate space off. Okay, again, powercfg.exe /hibernate off. Hit on enter. And then once that's done, type down exit, hit on enter. Now go back to your search bar and type down advanced system settings right here. Click on view advanced system settings. Now this window will pop up. Go ahead and go to advanced right here and click on under performance settings. Now in here again, click on advanced. Now go ahead and under virtual memory, click on change. Untick this automatic manage paging file. Now go ahead and select the drive where you wanted to shrink, for example, C drive. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and select other drives right here. For example, drive E. Now make sure that you set this one to no paging file. Okay. Hit on set. And there will be some prompts. Okay. Just basically hit on allow and hit on OK. OK right here. As you can see here, it needs us to restart the computer, but don't restart your computer yet. Just hit on OK right here. Apply. OK. Now go to system protection. And again, select the specific drive. For example, again, files right here. Now go ahead and click on configure. In here, make sure that you disable system protection. Okay. Disable it. Hit on apply. OK. And then OK right here. Now go ahead and click on restart now. All right, hit on restart now. And after that, go back to disk management. Now you could go ahead and shrink a drive right here. For example, files, right click, shrink. And you could go ahead and shrink the drive right here to a higher amount. Okay. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.